Good morning. It's just sunrise right now. I think it's coming up right there. Our power is out at home, so good thing for a propane stove. I made pour over coffee. It was good. One more cup and I'll be set for the day. Let's take a little walk and see what it's like out here. Kind of noisy, huh? I didn't bring the pups down this morning because they were still sleeping. Apparently we had some rough weather in the night and Mike let them into the bedroom and I didn't want to wake everyone up, so I snuck out. But now I hear them barking. Can't win for losing here. I'm going to head on back and see if I can rescue them before Mike and Rocco and Leo have to get up and deal with all this. Oh, what a life. We're having a blast. I was on my way home and all of a sudden I got rushed by 4 dogs and 1 husband. And so here we are. We're going back out. Let's go. You can walk with us too. I guess I can't sneak out of the house. Here I thought I was being all nice and quiet and making it nice for everybody to sleep in. This is called sneaking up on someone.